What's up, Bargain family? So today we're in Dollar Tree checking out what's new. Let's go. That was weird. Dollar Tree has these jumbo eyes in, and these are gonna be great for crafting. I wanna share something with you guys.
Get a plastic punch bowl from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna spray paint. Mine's wide. You can always use an acrylic paint. I just use spray paint because it's faster. After the paint dries, you can glue your eye to the bowl. Two come in a pack, so you can get 2 punch bowls and make 2 eyes out of this. Then I go in with some red paint and create veins on top of the punch bowl. I'm gonna be hanging these to a window outside, so I got a bunch of command strips and I put them around the rim of the punch bowl and then push that to the window. This is a fun, quick, easy Halloween DIY just using 2 products from Dollar Tree. If you want to make these light up, you can get push lights from Dollar Tree, put command strips on the back of the push lights, put that on your wall behind the bowls, and then just turn them on. If you don't want to have to turn them on and off every single night, you can get remote controlled lights so that you can just press a remote and they turn on automatically.
What the heck? Dollar Tree randomly has kids pajamas, like toddler pajamas and infant clothes. Look, these are toddler shorts. They have, look it, it's 2 separate pieces, so you have to find the top. But look it, it's pajama pants. This is so cute. They have lots of girl ones that I see. So cute.
I've been hauling Dollar Tree products for 7 years on my channel, and this by far is one of the coolest items I've ever found at Dollar Tree. I've never seen toddler pajamas there, and you can get them for $2.50 unless you're going to a secondhand store. Dollar Tree has these games in right now from the maker of What Do You Mean, which is a very popular game. They have the road trip game and Real Lies. So the road trip game, the way that it works is you just answer questions when you're on a road trip, and you get points for each question that you get right. This is one of the questions: if you could only have either McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, or Taco Bell for the rest of your life, which would you choose? Which, let me know which one you guys would choose. I would choose McDonald's. I like Chick-fil-A, but I don't know, the sandwiches kind of get boring to me. And there's just a whole bunch of different questions. Players with the longest commute gets a point just for having a longer commute. Give everyone a superlative. Then the Real Lies game is a party game where you're trying to convince others that your lie is the truth. So somebody's going to answer a question, they put the real answer on that question card, and then everybody else puts their lie, but they want it to be convincing, so everybody votes for them, and then they end up winning. I've never seen these winter hats at Dollar Tree for children that have the little pom-poms to make it look like little bear ears. This is so cute. I bought all the colors for Noelle this winter. She looks absolutely adorable. She's like, what's on my head?
There's so much new in the crafting section, like a lot. For instance, polyfiber. Dollar Tree has never had this, the polyfiber. You get 4 ounces for $1.25. They also have diamond painting sheets. There's 3 or 4 different ones I could see that you choose from. They're not as like sparkly as the ones I've seen online, but they're still nice for $1.25. They also have fake fur.
I got the diamond painting sheet. You stick this little pen-like thing inside of wax, and then you start to pick up each little individual diamond. This was my first time ever doing this, and I know this is supposed to be relaxing for some people, but for me, I just wanted to throw this thing across the room. But I'm also somebody, when I start on something, I have to get it done. So I ended up finishing it, but this was not relaxing to me. This was like, oh my gosh, what is happening? Pepper agrees with me. You can hear her. It makes for a pretty picture, but I definitely wouldn't do this again. But I can see lots of people liking this though.
I'm so excited about this. They got these DIY crochet kits. So basically you can make little stuffed animals. These are so cute. I don't know how to crochet. I might try one of these, but I just don't know how it would go. These are new, these finger guides, as well as these stitch markers. These are also new, these earring findings and bracelet and necklace finding. Oh, that's cool. And they have them in gold and in silver. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. These iron-on patches, but look why they're so cute. Okay, this is gonna be so cute on something of Noelle's. Look at that. So there's an ice cream patch, a popsicle cherry patch, the Taco Tuesday patch, and then it's Fry Yay patch with a little donut. I'm telling you, they have so many new things in the crafting section, you have to look. Then they have silicone soft beads and polymer clay beads, and these ones are good because they're good for fake sweets. For the polymer clay beads, they have 4 different packs. So a green pack, this pack, like more blue and green pack, and then this one, which reminds me of like ice cream.
I got some stretchy string and I started to feed my beads through the stretchy string. I ended up making a little bracelet out of 1 pack, and I had 3 beads left over. Granted, my bracelet could have used just 1 more bead.
This is all new to Dollar Tree. It's this resin line, and there's so many things to choose from. First of all, they have the resin. They also have mica powders to mix into it, the pigment inks, molds for your earrings, so many things to choose from.
So I got a bunch of resin products. Now the thing is, I've only done this when I do one color and then I just pour it into something. I've never done something where I'm mixing colors together. So I watched a tutorial on how to make a geode resin. Basically, what you do is you mix both equal parts A and B of epoxy together. Then you can get little cups and pour the epoxy mix inside of these cups and then pour in like mica powders or paint to start coloring the resin. Now what you'll do if you're doing the geode is you want to start with your color that's going to be in the center and then work your way outwards. The thing is, I was not good with this. I did not know what I was doing. It started to look like a hot mess, and I was also doing the earrings and necklaces on the side of this. Then the tutorial said to get a heat gun and use it to move around the resin. I don't know what I was doing. I failed at this. I feel like it made it look worse. I then waited 24 hours for everything to completely cure. And once it was cured, I just pushed it out. I was able to make earrings and necklaces out of some of the pieces. I don't necessarily like how they look, but hey, you guys be the judge. This is how the earrings turned out, and this is how the necklace turned out. The necklace reminds me of Earth.
You guys know me, I love graphic tees. You can have graphic socks. Look at this gigantic collection of name brand food items like Twinkies, cup of noodles, so many ones. And then they have these Marilyn Monroe socks. It's for you and your animals. And they have a cow print. What? I don't even understand this, but it's so cute. I'm getting it, and we're gonna put this on Pepper and me.
So this went just how I thought it would go. Pepper lets us put the socks on her, and then she didn't know how to walk, or she did not want to walk is probably the better way of saying it. She just, you can see she's walking super funny. I don't really understand the point of dog socks if they're as lightweight as this. These definitely have a thin, cheaper feeling to them like most Dollar Tree socks do.
Skeleton hands are new, so these are different from these ones because these ones are always just like a cheaper plastic look. This looks more realistic. But Dollar Tree's getting a bunch of Halloween solar stake lights in, and these are gonna be really good for crafting outside or just for decorating.
These are a great way to make a spooky pathway.
And then these spiders are new. I'm gonna do something with these because these are super cool.
Something you could do is take Dollar Tree solar lights, remove the top off of it, then put that in the ground, making sure that the back of it is going to get a lot of sun, and then put your little spiders on top of that. So then at nighttime, the inside of your spider glows. You can put a spotlight in front of the spiders so that you can really see them at nighttime, or place them on top of concrete so that they really stand out. Dollar Tree has these cat candy bowls in right now. They also have these LED ornaments that have a really pretty shine to them. So we're actually going to make a cauldron using the candy bowl and these ornaments. You also want to get some wood blocks from Dollar Tree. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut off the cat ears. It's really easy to do using your scissors. You can paint the face of your black cat, or you can just turn it around so it doesn't show. Then I just paint the wooden blocks black. Once they are dried, I glue them to the bottom of my bowl, and I'm just using 3 of them. Dummy up the bottom of your bowl using something so you don't have to use as many ornaments. I'm using just some plastic bags. I throw them in the inside of the bowl, and then I start to fill this up with the ornaments. You do twist them so that you can get them to turn on and they glow in different colors. I also got little disco balls. These are actually from Amazon. I'll link them down below for you guys. I've seen this disco ball bubbling cauldron on, I think it was Instagram. So I decided to do something similar with the disco balls so that the light can shine onto the disco balls. I then used my hot glue gun to create a dripping effect on the bowl. And once the glue completely dries, I just paint over it. I really wanted like a silver glitter there. I just didn't have any on hand. So I just painted it over it with a metallic purple paint. This is how I made this bubbling cauldron using mainly Dollar Tree products. If you wanted to have a handle, just buy something with a handle at Dollar Tree, remove it, and glue it to the bowl.
They still have fall in, but these are new because everything else we've seen I already shared with you guys. However, they have these little, like, it's not wood beads per se, but there's little, like a tassel thing with acorns on it. And I really like this little metal galvanized basket in this beautiful orange color. I'm so excited. I finally found the stackable pumpkins that Dollar Tree has in. I didn't find these last year because there wasn't a Dollar Tree Plus section in my store. We're definitely gonna do something with this.
I didn't get a chance to DIY these for the video. However, make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram because I have an amazing DIY coming out for these. These are so easy to put together. They just stack on top of each other. They are lightweight, so if your area gets really windy during October, I think you can expect these to topple over a few times.
Absolutely love this pot mitt. It looks like a pumpkin.
So these placemats are really nice if you're trying to do like a fall tablescape but you don't want to get dishes for it. You can just put these under your dishes and it's instantly going to make it feel more fall-like.
These placemats are absolutely gorgeous. I just really love the color of them. The charger that I'm using here is also from Dollar Tree, and the little utensils are actually plastic. I got those from Target. I love the way that this makes my tablescape look. Dollar Tree has these little art caddies in that are perfect for your children's art supplies or for organization. I got my Cricut out and I cut out some vinyl to place on each little slot inside of the caddy. So the first one I did was for Cooper's art supplies. I did a paintbrush holder one. I did colored pencils, crayons, markers, one that just says miscellaneous on it, and just fill this up. I really like the way that this looks just because it matches all the colors inside of my kid's bedroom, and then it's a great way to keep everything organized. Granted, it doesn't stay like that for long, but when you're putting it away, you have something that can hold all of your kids' supplies. I also decided to make a movie night caddy. Again, I used my Cricut to make labels to put on the caddy. And then if you put any food inside of this, you want to make sure that it's wrapped because it says nothing about being food safe. So make sure you're putting only wrapped food inside of the caddy. It's really cute and it's easy to just give out on movie night.
We're in the kids section. They're starting to bring out costume things. However, there are pieces that are good if you have a kid that's dressing up for a Barbie or having a Barbie themed birthday party. For instance, these wands, the crowns, they all light up. They remind me of like Princess Barbie and Rapunzel Barbie. They have like the jewelry kits and even light up mask. Dollar Tree always has these candy containers, a whole bunch of different ones to choose from. But for this DIY, we're going to be using these scallop containers for the Barbie DIY. However, keep your eyes open because you guys know me, I love to do sweet Christmas DIYs, and we're going to start that soon. So make sure you keep your eyes open for that and collect a few of these while you're at it.
So I got these pink candy bowls from Dollar Tree and I used my Cricut to cut out the Barbie logo. I just placed those vinyl pieces on the front of the candy bowls and then I just take them off. So I got the wand from Dollar Tree. I got this crown set. The only thing is I had to cut most of the packaging off of it so that it would fit inside of the bowl. Dollar Tree carries name brand Barbie products. They have accessories and miniature Barbies that are great if you're doing a Barbie theme. There's so many great items at Dollar Tree. I hear so many times about how the toys at Dollar Tree suck. In my opinion, the majority of them do not suck at that price point of $1.25. So this is just an easy way to get the candy bolts from Dollar Tree and use them to make favors. And you can also get toys from Dollar Tree. You don't have to get a bunch of them, or you can get candy to make this more cost effective. And just go ahead and just put some label on the front. You don't have to have a Cricut. You can print out some images instead and place those on the front or even write them out yourself. These are new to Dollar Tree, these car storage pockets. Now I will say the material is very thin and it is on the smaller side. However, they come in really handy. So we attached one of these around the headrest in our car, and then we filled it up with things for diaper changes. So some baby wipes, a changing pad, some cream, and then diapers in the front slots. This is really handy, like I said, especially if you're somebody who forgets to bring diapers with you sometimes. We have a diaper bag that all the time we use up the diapers, forget to put more inside of there, and we're like, oh, we don't have a diaper. This just comes in handy to have something there that you can use all the time. I'm really excited about this. Dollar Tree recently got in these metal drawer handles. Now, you can never find these for $1.25. I will say that the metal, it's more lightweight than ones you get at your local hardware store, but if you're just using them for crafting, they're awesome. I don't know exactly how they work on a drawer, but I use these all the time when I craft. I basically just grab two of these and glued them to a little board that you can get from the Dollar Tree Plus section. There are screws you can use instead, but for video purposes, I just glued these on, and it was an easy way to make a tray. They have these handles in gold and in black.
These are also new, these little horses, and they're so cute. Look at them for $1.25. Dollar Tree is getting in their fall organization. So basically it's the same bins they always have, except they have like a fall feel to them. So whether that be fall colors or little leaves on them, they have a bunch of different ones to choose from. Dollar Tree recently got in reusable sandwich bags. I guess now they're doing it like seasonal because this is for fall. There's pumpkin ones and leaf ones. They got the large ones for one for $1.25. That's the freezer going off. And then two small ones for $1.25. These are also new to Dollar Tree. These veggie bags, they're reusable and 5 come in a pack for $1.25. So it's like the mesh bags they carry except with a drawstring. These are actually good for organizing. And not just organizing, but washing little small things of your children. You put them inside of here so it doesn't get lost, like socks and their underwear. These are new to Dollar Tree, these sink mats. There's 2 different ones to choose from. And what's nice about these, if you have a sink like ours that turns yellow at the bottom of a lot, you can put these on top of the sink and then wash your dishes on top of that so it's not directly touching that grossness. They have new fall to-go containers, which will be great for the holiday season when you're bringing little treats to like a gathering. Obviously, it's not gonna hold a lot, but it'll hold some cookies, maybe some mashed potatoes, potato salad, which in my family, you bring a little thing because nobody eats it. I love these. These are new, they're air fresheners for your car. I don't necessarily use them, but come on, cassettes. They have guitars, butterflies, dragonflies. This taxi one is so funny. Sorry to say it, but they're bringing out Christmas stuff. Now this is obviously from last year, but look, the plus section too. They're bringing out the jumbo candy canes for $5. I'm excited about it, but at the same time, it stresses me out because I like to have these DIYs ready for you guys, and I'm still working on Halloween.
These are new to Dollar Tree. They are not in the plus section. It is a bunch of holiday lip balms. They have Elf on the Shelf, Kisses, they have a little Yoda one. These actually would be cool for DIYs. You can make little ornaments out of these. These would be great inside of gift bags and gift boxes. Get them when you see them though, because I don't see these lasting all the way up until Christmas time. I think these are gonna fly off the shelf real quick. The Dollar Tree Plus section is starting to get Christmas items in. I'll share those with you guys in a different video. However, I really wanted to try these reflective magnets. These magnets you just place on top of your car. You can put them on your refrigerator too, anything that can hold a magnet. But on the car, it decorates the car for Christmas time, which I think is super cute. I wish they had something for Halloween because I know there's trunk or treats, and these would be great if they were switched over for Halloween. This is a product I want to share with you guys. It is these dress up books. So they basically have these stickers inside of the books that you use to dress up images that are also on each little page. Now, the reason I want to share this with you guys is I think this is a great option instead of candy if you're looking for something to give away to your children or even their classmates, as long as the class is small, because I could definitely see this get pricey if your kid is in a bigger class. However, I just think these are awesome for the price, $1.25, and it's name brand licensed characters. I forgot to film an outro for this video. That is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.